Welcome back to The Bearded Dane. Today I'm going to come at you with the truth about beard products, so stay tuned. And yes, I said it, I am going to come at you with the truth about beard products in this video. Or at least my truth, my point of view on this. So, disclaimer, this is my point of view, okay? Before I go any further, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, dislike the video, write a comment. I know this is maybe going to be a bit controversial, and maybe it's even going to, prevent me from getting free stuff in the future for my reviews, because, yeah, I may step on toes, but I'm not going to use any special product line producer thingy here today, because I'm not pointing out any specific company. This is for all when we are talking about beard products. So, years back, when I had a dad, he isn't with us anymore, sadly. That has nothing to do with beard products, but when he lived, it's been a while now, but when he lived, he had a big beard. He didn't have any beard washes, co-washes, conditioners, beard oils, beard balms, beard butters, anything. He didn't even have any special comb for his beard. Nothing of that. So, but he had a big beard. A nice big beard. Maybe sometimes, I remember it was a bit dry. Sometimes he had some scruffiness to it. But, it went away. And the problem, well, it came and went, la la la. Like that. And I don't even think he had any problem with that. At all. So he just had a big beard. And he took care of it as he took care of any other part of his body. He wasn't even the big shampooing guy for his head hair. He didn't have much, but what he had, he kind of just washed with normal, bathing soap thingy. There was this shower gel he used. He used it on his body, he used it on his hair, and he used it on his beard. And it worked perfectly. I remember once in a while, maybe he put some kind of, olive oil we had in the kitchen in his beard. Maybe because it was a bit itchy or some dry, I don't know. But that's what he did. And it worked for him. Not so long ago I was clean shaven, and before I was clean shaven I had a bigger beard than I have now. Back then I didn't really use any products for my beard. I had this Njord thingy I talked about in the beginning of my channel here, but it wasn't good, and I didn't use it very often. Once in a while when I was going out, maybe I would put it in my beard just to have a bit of a different scent to it than just beard. Sometimes I used this Bear family products. Sometimes I used Bulldog products in my beard. Sometimes. Not all the time, not every day, sometimes, and it really wasn't a problem. My beard was fine. Sometimes it was a bit itchy because of maybe my skin was a bit dry, so I put in some oil, Even, coconut oil, I used that more than anything back then. Just a bit of coconut oil in my skin underneath my beard, and well, the itchiness went away. It wasn't dry anymore. And yeah, there wasn't really much scent to it, so it was fine. Same with washes. I never used a wash for especially for my beard, until now, when, after I started kind of reviewing stuff. Well, of course, I get free washes sometimes when I buy all my stuff myself, and sometimes I get free stuff. When I do something good, a good review or whatever, maybe, I could get some free stuff for the next review to see if it's still the same good stuff they're selling. Things like that. And that's what I'm using when it comes to washes. I never buy a beard wash or a beard conditioner. In Denmark we have this neutral thingy. This is a body shower soap thingy. Well, I never even buy a shampoo. I use this on my head hair. Body wash, well, it goes for everything. And it's with, there's no perfume in it, no parabens, no, anything that shouldn't be in here. I guess there's sulfates in it, probably. It's kind of a cheap but good one, without a lot of chemical stuff in it. And I use that everywhere, even on my beard. Back then I didn't wash my beard every day. Maybe I washed my beard with soap once a week, maybe twice. And then I just used this one, you know. The rest of the time I just rinsed it. It was fine. Also this guy here. You know, this is a kids shampoo from Englemark, we have here in Denmark. It's an eco product you can get in supermarkets. It's cheaper than beard products, at least. I would use that in my beard. I have done that a couple of times before I started getting free washes. So, when it comes to a wash for your beard, well, I would use this. Really, I would. If I wasn't kind of reviewing stuff and talking about it, I would use these things. When it comes to oils, beard butters, balms, of course, yes, a balm can be used to shave. So it actually has a function like that. I'm not using balms, but I'm using oils, I'm using butters. And as I said, years back they didn't have that. Really. You know, almond oil, you can buy this in a big bottle at the supermarket. Coconut oil, you can buy that in a jar at the supermarket. And it goes a long, long way. It does the job, it kind of softens the beard a bit. It takes the itch away, it makes it not dry. So all that is just fine. You know, it works, it does the job. You don't really need beard butters, beard oils, beard washes, conditioners and stuff like that. So why do we do it? Well, as I see this, we who are kind of, you know, into this stuff, are part of a kind of subculture, maybe even. You know, we do what we do in this subculture. Same as if you're a metalhead or a goth or whatever. There are certain rules, unwritten rules, that you have to do to be part of this community. And kind of the same thing we do here. We buy all these, and don't get me wrong, amazing, nice things from different companies that make beard oils, beard butters, washes, all that. Because it has this extra to it. The scents, well, there's really been put some work into the scents. That is not in coconut oil or almond oil, stuff like that. Well, of course not. So the scents are special. You have different kind of carrier oils that, you know, tends to some special needs and makes it, you know, broader in a sense of the oils that are good for your skin and your beard. So all that. And then the story behind it, being a part of this community, being a part of something nice, something that gives you something on a personal level. That's why I'm doing it. I'm reviewing stuff. I'm buying my own products to review. Only to review. I have way too much oil and stuff than I can ever use. It will go bad and I have to, you know, it's just going to stand there, never to be used, and I'm out of focus. Anyways, I'm even considering buying a new camera, an expensive camera, just to sit here and talk to you about beard products. You know, I want this new coffee maker with a grinder and everything, but I'm actually I'm not getting it because I'm kind of buying beard products instead. It's crazy, but I'm doing it because I like being part of this. And, well, another reason could be that it's kind of a legal way for us men to groom ourselves. You know, like girls are. You know, girls have been able to do this for years and years. Men did it way back in time with the Egypts and the Vikings and stuff like that. But it kind of stopped for us men at some point. We just had to be all manly and senseless, you know. And, well, it has kind of become legal now with using these beard products. You know, we have a beard, we are men. So grooming our beards and making our beards smell good and feel good and look nice, that's kind of manly, you know. So that's kind of a legal way for us guys to kind of groom ourselves like, well, like girls are, really. You know, you can also get, you know, makeup for men, but no. We have a beard, so we are manly men. And we use these products on our beards, so it's okay. And that's actually pretty nice. I like that idea. That's how I see it. I don't say that's how everybody here feels or the reason why everybody here does it. But for me, well, yeah, it's a legal way for me to groom myself. So, what do I want to say with this video? That you guys are to stop buying beard products? Definitely no. Because they are made for us, men. They are made for our beards. It's a heck of a nice community to be kind of part of, talking to other bearded men, being online, participating in live streams, yeah, talking about all this bearded stuff. I love it. It's like, well, for me it's a hobby. I'm not living on my reviews because I'm not getting paid doing any of it. So I kind of have to, use my, as I said a couple of times now, my own money whenever I have kind of, room for that in my economy, and buy something, so it can only be a hobby for me. And it's a nice hobby. I love it. I like having all these kind of oils. Gives me something to choose from every day, and also I like the story behind it. I like the artwork. I like the looks of it, the scents. They are so different, many different scents. I love them. I love the feel, It is different because there are different carrier oils in it, so almond oil alone is not at all the same, but it does the job. That's kind of what I'm saying. If we did this just to have a maintained beard, so it wouldn't itch and it wouldn't dry, well, almond oil, coconut oil does the job. So that's not the reason why we're doing it, is it? Why are you, so question for you, why are you buying beard products? What's the reason why you're using a lot of money compared to simple coconut oil for your beard? What's the reason for it? Is it the scent? Is it the community? Is it kind of the feel that you're grooming, taking care of yourself? I would like to know that. And please, companies out there, don't hate me for this video. I'm not trying to put anyone down. I'm still going to do reviews. I'm still going to buy way too many products that I don't need just to do these reviews for you guys. But I just want to bring this up. Carrier oils alone, they kind of do the job. So why buying small 1 ounce bottles of oil for the same price that you could get half a liter or something like that of a carrier oil? Put it down below. I would like to hear that. Thank you guys for listening. And yeah, take care.